Okay, say bye, old apartment.
Bye, old apartment.
You're gonna love your new one.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Welcome back to Anterior. This is a very exciting makeover, guys. I am doing my first studio. And not only am I doing my first studio, I'm doing my first lad's apartment ever. I have this stunning grey recliner couch that I have to keep, by the way. Let's make that look nice somehow. And then I have this grey bed, also staying. And did I mention our budget is next to nothing? So everything has to be secondhand. No budget, girl. No budget. So this is going to be fun. I can't wait. Let's do it. First of all, he has the couch here against the wall, so it can't really recline. He has the TV beside it, so he can't see the TV while sitting on the couch. And then he has the bed here, and he puts the TV on the cabinet, and then he moves the TV in front. Let's just say it's not working. Sorry, Ben. First of all, I'm going to be moving this couch. I'll be moving it to the center of the room because I want it to be more inviting in here. I want a little walkway in, this to be sitting room, this to be bedroom. You know, I really want to separate the spaces and not have everything as like a waiting room. Once again, sorry, Ben. Okay, next I'm going to be moving the bed to face this wall. The reason being, he can still watch TV now. If he wants to lie in bed and watch a movie, he can just move the TV on the cabinet that I'm hoping to put across from the couch so he can still watch television in bed and be a lazy bum. Sorry, Ben. Okay, we had our first up. I'm really annoyed and I'm on the verge of crying, and don't even start. Don't even start, YouTube. Don't. Because I'm on the verge of crying. Is it my fault because I forgot a moving blanket at the very start? Maybe, but I wanted to put the mirror at the bottom and he wanted to put it on top. This man told me to put the mirror on top of the cabinet. And I was like, okay, I'll just listen. They were secondhand, so I already knew there was a few scuffs and that was fine. Now it's all squashed. I'm so angry and sweaty, and my mum and dad just flew back to Ireland yesterday and I'm crying continuously. And I look like I just got pulled out of a bush and I lost a nail. Yay, this makeover is going so well. I love it. What a That's it, I'm never listening to a man again. I never listened anyways, I'm fully not listening now. Alright, another one. Okay. Oh, I might need to mention I'm also on my period. His nightstand isn't terrible. Sorry, Ben. So we'll use it because we don't have money in the budget. Go on, Jules. Get down them smelly curtains. Slay, slay, slay. They smell like cigarette smoke, so they got to go. It's better to have tall friends.
I'm 5'4".
Taller. Okay, I should help back. These ones were the cheapest ones we could get and the best color. Woo. Just back from Ben's. It is the hottest, sweatiest day ever. Like, now I'm nearly finished the day, but the one last thing is I'm going to stain this board, which is going to be their pop-up table for tomorrow, so it's ready. But that is it, and then tomorrow it's just installing the rest of the bits. I hate it. Okay, change plan. I also have espresso. So let's see if this works. I'm so nervous. This is too light. This looks like black. I'm just gonna do a little taste, a little sample. Okay, it's much better. I'm gonna use that color instead. So hard to know with stains sometimes. It's the next day, so the start of day 3, really, or day 2.5. We have the site manager Rue on, to inspect the work that we did yesterday. She said, I heard you two were arsing around. Someone patched here and didn't do a great job, so. Solution. Love it. So cheap from IKEA as well. And it's right beside the door, so it's perfect for him to store his keys and bits. Perfect. I'm obsessed with this lampshade that I got from H&M. I can't wait to put it beside the bed. Not gonna lie, I was thinking about keeping this for my house. Ben, I must like you. Because this is sick. This is sick. Did I make a mistake by giving him this lamp? Damn! Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay, Jules, I actually can't see. I'm gonna need you.
Oh, up on your side. A little more up. Perfect.
It works. A booby light with loads of flies. It's got to go. After like poor Jules up there for 20 minutes, we have a new light. No more booby lights. Yay! Now we're changing the sheets. We're going for this nice taupey brown and blue color. It's better than this pinstripe white, just to make it a little bit more, give it a little bit more life. Simple change to make, but I honestly don't think he's gonna think we're changing the sheets. He's gonna be like, oh my god, we have new sheets.
Probably.
I don't know why, I just feel like you will. Okay, I don't hate that color with the taupey.
It's beautiful.
It's nice. What do you think, Rue? Comments. Are you not washing the sheets before we put them on the bed?
We did.
We did.
Totally.
They're just creased because I ironed them and then folded them.
And put them back in the package.
And put them back in the package.
Right?
I'm sure he slept on worse than fresh sheets.
Right, Rue?
Right, Rue? Rue's helping. Site manager. Is this like sellotaped on? Okay, no. Okay, come on. Sorry, Ben. Good job, Rue. You get to the corner. Yeah, great job. I love this color.
Rue!
Oops. Oh. Now let's see what state this duvet is in.
I don't know.
Sorry, Ben. Now this is when I really lose my mind. No, Jules, you can't stand behind the camera, girl. You're gonna have to help me in this.
Okay.
What do you think, Rue? Like one of the only new things he got. Everything else was secondhand. But we're going to be putting a lovely poster, and this poster is really special to Ben. Ben has a tattoo of this poster, so we're going to put this above his bed. This was one of the very few art pieces he had, so obviously it means a lot to him, so why not put it right over his bed? Yeah, poor Jules is back again. My knight in shining armor. What do you think? Okay. After many, will we say maybe an hour we're at this? About that. We're going to take a pause because we feel like we're missing something. We like this here, but we also feel like it's a bit bare. So we're going to park it for tonight because it's getting late, and we're going to find something else and we're going to make it work tomorrow. Because, yeah, I don't want to just put up something for the sake of putting up something. We're just going to wait and see until we get something better. Back in Ben's house today, the last few big jobs to do. We need to get the living room set up. Also, the Murphy style table needs to be installed. I've never done that before, so I'm a bit nervous, but we're going to learn together. The styling of the shelves needs to be done, and then it's just the reveal tomorrow. What I didn't mention is Ben is currently home at his friend's wedding, and when he gave me his keys to his apartment, I think he thought, coffee table, rug, maybe she'll hang a photo. His mind is going to be blown. I really think he is not expecting this, and I can't wait for him to have a new home to come back to and something a little bit more welcoming than what he had before. And that's no offense, Ben.
Alright.
Yeah.
Interior does it again.
Yes, she does. Woo. Oh, I wish I had somewhere to sit and eat my dinner. Yay! Oh, cute! I'm happy with this.
It's perfect.
Right?
Yes.
Nice.
Hi, it's Jules here, popping in for a sec. I'm one of Ben's best friends, and I'm with Anne doing this makeover. And I know I said I am one of his best friends and know him super well. Apparently he had this in his apartment for like a long time, but I had never seen this in my life, so sorry. This is a Friendsgiving menu that I designed when we invited everyone over. Ben was there, had a really beautiful dinner with all of our friends, so it's special to frame that. And then Anne thrifted this beautiful photo of BC because Ben used to live there when he first moved to Canada from Ireland, and then he eventually came to Toronto and met me, the best person ever. And this is It'll Be Grand. All the Irish people I know always say this, including Ben, and I've started to say it now, which is annoying for everyone. And this is a plum blossom Lego that my partner Kev and I bought him for his birthday because Ben loves Lego.
He's gonna run out of space for his Lego. No more Lego. Sorry, Ben. I really like this orchid one. This one's probably my favorite. Do you want to do it? Do you have a good hold on it?
This is the one we already did break.
Yeah. We never broke this.
No,
I've always seen this fully assembled.
We didn't break it.
Say Jules and Anne did not
Jules
break
and
it.
Anne did not break the Lego.
Kevin didn't rebuild the piano.
No.
No, that would be crazy.
Cute. Okay, that can just go there, right? Succulents don't need a lot of sunlight anyway, so it's fine here. This plant is donated by me. It was in the corner of my bedroom and not getting any love or care. So, Ben, it's up to you to do a better job, and I'm sure you will. I have all faith in you. We installed this pendant light. It's from IKEA, really inexpensive. I think it's only $9.99 or thereabouts, and it just makes a huge difference to the room. It makes it look so fancy. reveal day. Ben gets in from the airport at 2, so we only have like an hour left to do the final touches, and then we're ready to welcome home, and I'm so excited. He's a man who drinks whiskey. So casual, I just threw it here. Because our boy loves Lego, guess what we got him? More Lego. Have fun, Ben. You can add it to your collection. This has to be my favorite piece for the makeover. It is going to help separate the two spaces and make the studio feel like it has a bedroom plus living room. It was on Facebook Marketplace and I only got for 70 bucks, and it honestly just changes the whole space entirely. And it was such a great find. At the start of this video, I talked about how we were working with a really small budget, and realistically, this is what I paid for all the big items in this makeover. Let's go. 25 bucks for this mirror on Facebook Marketplace. Credenza, 125 bucks. Mirror, 20 bucks. 20 bucks, Facebook Marketplace. Set of 2 tables, 30 bucks, Facebook Marketplace. I know, I can't believe it either. Divider, 70 bucks, Facebook Marketplace. I know, it's crazy, it's crazy. I think that's everything.
Can you see?
No, eyes closed, eyes closed,
Okay.
eyes closed.
They do be closed.
Eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Okay? Remember your own place?
Can I open it?
Yeah, go.
Holy What the This is unbelievable. Holy This is unbelievable. Thank you so. Holy I've got a candle. Oh my god. Once again, thank you. Thank you. You've done so much. Oh, I would have made this place so much worse. It's so nice. No, I feel like I can actually live here now, as opposed to before it was like a hotel room almost. So this is everything I could have wanted.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Welcome. Well, that could not have went any better. Ben absolutely loved it, and his reaction just meant the world to me. If there was too much cursing, I really apologize, but as an Irish person, I get it. When your mind is blown, which his was, you just start hurling abuse at everybody, and I get it. If you can, please make sure you're liked and subscribed so I can do more deserving makeovers like this for people like Ben who deserve it. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.
What's this?
That's whiskey and whiskey stones.
Sick.